My responsibility is new business, but I also manage the customer success team here, which means that I do spend a lot of time with our existing customers. As a business, we've been learning, we've been adapting, we've been listening. We never assume that we know everything. It's very important for us to listen to the client. Nexar itself is our latest offering, which is cloud-based. It is very flexible. It allows different businesses to create fields and inspection types that meet their requirements. And we also have built-in functionality for clients to implement their RBI strategies, but also our software offers some key features that they're very interested in is the fact that it works offline. It allows them to go around their site and carry out the inspections. That data is then held locally, which until such time they're in an area that they're connected to the internet, that they can sync that back to their database. Initially, clients will come to us with the aim of improving efficiencies, inspection times. So we are trying to stay very much on the path of it being an inspection software, but we do currently have the majority of the customers using it for EX, and we want to get to a place where you can pick up Nexar and you can use it for anything in any situation.